Soldiers from the 432nd Civil Affairs Battalion Army Reserve spent today touring Pagos Ponderosa Dairy Farm in Kewaunee. The soldiers were able to see how a large-scale dairy farm operates. The hope is the soldiers have a better understanding of the farming industry and can share what they've learned overseas.
We're hoping to teach them what it's like to be on a large dairy farm, how well we take care of our animals, how well we take care of the land, and where their food comes from. But before someone asks,
Pagos Ponderosa Dairy Farm gives tours to the public on Tuesdays and Fridays.